Bigger stems, bigger heads, more foliage, greener foliage, longer and thicker. They're like a baseball bat. I couldn't believe it. I really couldn't believe it.
The stems are better than they've ever been.
The colour intensity is absolutely outstanding.
I've been eating heaps and heaps of fruit off of these. Nice, big, ripe fruit. And that's on something that's 6 months old.
A foot difference in terms of the height.
I've never been able to even grow a passion fruit vine. Seems to be growing overnight.
The density of the growth and the strength of the stolons is really quite evident. Tissue testing has been done and we have found, positive results with that. We were getting more of these fine fruits and they're strong. You even try and pull them.
Here's an example of what we saw in the other paddock, and that was just at random. Let's have a look here. There's maybe a comparison.
Random people just walking past and saying, gee, your lawn's green, we can't believe this is the same lawn. It's honest. Look how green, and it's thick. I mean, you saw it, you know what it looks like before.
I did.
Kaikuri and the rye that is already in this paddock have just gone nuts, as well as the lucerne and the millet. It's a much more healthier robust seed.